Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to use your old cassette players in today's time with the help of this car audio cassette adapter. So this adapter comes itself, so you can see one end of the car adapter, cassette adapter. It's just like a cassette, and it's just and other end it's given a cable, and this cable is having a auxiliary male pin. So what you have to do to use that, it's very simple. So here's my cassette adapter, you can see, and I will open that cassette case and insert that my cassette adapter, close the case, and I will play it. And now what I will do, I will turn on my phone and connect my phone with auxiliary pin, and I will open YouTube and I will play whatever song I will like. See guys, it's working. Thanks guys. See guys, it's working. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.